Brave pupil. India has been a land of brave and obedient people since ancient times. Many brave people sacrificed themselves for their teacher and country. One such true, brave and obedient pupil was Aruni. Hundreds of years ago there were no schools. Instead there were Gurukuls. Boys were sent to Gurukuls to study. They had to live with their teacher in an ashram. The teacher was called the Guru. The boys in the ashram used to share all the work. They collected dry firewood, dug the fields to sow seeds and harvest the ripened crops. They served their gurus wholeheartedly. The gurus also considered them as their children and cared for in every manner. The gurus taught them languages, mathematics and about holy books. They also taught them horse riding and the use of bows and arrows. There was an ashram in a forest. There were hundreds of boys in it. Aruni also studied and lived in the ashram. He was a good pupil who always obeyed his guru. His guru loved him very much. There were fields around the ashram. The boys helped in the fields. They would get water from a nearby stream. One day it rained heavily. The stream was overflowing. There was a wall between the stream and the fields. The wall developed a crack. If it was not repaired on time, the water would gush into the fields and destroy the crops. The Guru asked the boys if anyone could go and repair the crack. No one had the courage, but Aruni agreed to do so. He ran towards the field. The water was gushing in through the crack with great force. It was carrying away all the mud that Aruni was putting in the crack. Aruni decided to stop the water. He leaned against the crack. Soon the water stopped flowing in. It grew dark. When Aruni did not return, the Guru along with some other boys went to the field to look for him. They found Aruni leaning against the crack in the wall. The Guru ran to Aruni and hugged him. The cracked wall was repaired and the crops were saved. Aruni was a brave boy. We must also try to be brave like Aruni.